Good afternoon, children. Daudbhai Fazalbhai Primary School, Standard 4, a collage by Sayyeda. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is a collage. A collage. Collage is an artistic work in which we use bits of paper and stick it together on a surface and make an artistic collage work. The collage is an artistic creation techniques. Many a times you have done in your classroom. It used to be in your craft and drawing period. But today you will learn a new method of collage which is dealing with the fondness of hobby. Here the writer is a girl. She is very much fond of the great cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, and she describes him as her favorite cricketer. She has made a collection of information and tried to make a beautiful collage. So today in this new lesson we are going to learn how the writer has done a beautiful collage work on Sachin Tendulkar, the god of cricket. In the lesson 15 we are learning about Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. There are so many different ideas are inserted on the same page. For example, there are different types of cutouts collaged on the same surface. Here there are many photos of Sachin Tendulkar. The star marks the runs scored by Sachin Tendulkar. The small cutouts gives information about his date of birth, his first test match and last test matches. The big cutouts gives us the information about the records made by Sachin Tendulkar and honors. There are few photos taken out from different types of newspapers and informative magazines. See, the full name of Sachin Tendulkar was Tendulkar is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Date of birth. He was born on 24th April 1973. First test match 15th November 1989 versus Pakistan. First ODI 18 December 1989 versus Pakistan. Test centuries are mentioned. Test centuries 51. Test runs 15,921. ODI centuries are 49. ODI half centuries 96. ODI runs 18,426. So these are the great achievements achieved by Sachin. That is why our writer is very much fond of Sachin Tendulkar. There is some information given about his last test matches. He played last on 14 November 2013 versus West Indies and last ODI on 18th March 2012 versus Pakistan. There are many world records achieved by Sachin Tendulkar. These are described in these points and the cutout is attached on the same surface. First place First player to secure a double century in men's ODI, played the highest number of Test and ODI matches, the only cricketer to score 100 centuries in international cricket, the only player to score 50 centuries in Test cricket, first batsman to score 15,000 runs in Test crickets, world records for having the highest number of world's record. So here are the best records made by Sachin Tendulkar in his life. And the next cutout is dealing with honors. There are so many honors and rewards achieved by Sachin Tendulkar. For example, Arjun Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, Padma Shri, Maharashtra Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. This page gives us lots and lots information about Sachin Tendulkar. Let us go to the next page of the chapter where it describes more about the farewell speech delivered by Sachin on his last day. He had given a very beautiful farewell speech in which he has thanked many people. Let me read this cutout and get the information about his farewell speech. Sachin thanked all the people who had helped him in his life, his parents, family members, relatives, friends, his coach, directors, trainers, managers, media, and all the people who supported him. That is why people feel, and we also say, that we are proud of you, Sachin. Now another cutout which talks more about Sachin's father, and the tragedy happened in the year 1999. Professor Ramesh Tendulkar, Sachin's father, died when the 1999 World Cup matches were going on. Sachin returned to India just for a little while and returned immediately. He scored a century, unbeaten 140 runs off 101 balls. In the next match against Kenya, he dedicated this century to his father. And in the last cutout, we come to know how great personalities have influenced Sachin Tendulkar, and he bids a farewell to his coach Ramakant Achrekar. What Sachin said about his sir Ramakant Achrekar in his farewell speech. On a lighter note, in the last 29 years, sir has never ever said well played to me because he thought I would get complacent and I would stop working hard. Maybe he can push his luck and wish me now well done. I on my career because there are no more matches, sir, in my life will be witnessing cricket, and cricket will always stay in my heart. But you have had an immense contribution in my life, so thank you very much. He thanked his coach in his farewell speech. So there are different types of cutouts added by the writer, and this cutout has made a beautiful collage. This collage has a collection of Sachin Tendulkar's biography. There are some difficult words. Let us read and revise those words. Century, cricketer, international, batsman, record, touching, supported, immediately, Kenya, Pakistan, honor, farewell, speech, Ramakant, proud. Let us do an activity. Prepare a collage on your favorite personality or sportsman. Thank you.